weld all these panels in the boot with that focus over there. Hey guys, welcome back to our Lotus Sunbeam restoration series. Since the last video, what we've done, we've welded all the inner frame, we've mounted the doors and the front wings to make sure that we've got perfect gaps, which we have on this side. So the next step, we haven't welded this quarter on. We won't weld this quarter on until we do the other side, so we can do them both at the same time. For reasons I'll explain later. But what we're going to do now is we're going to remove all the panels from the other side, strip them all down and send them away for sandblasting, and then we can start treating the rust and putting them back. Yeah, so this will be in this video. So keep tuned. So here we have the driver's sunbeam door, and these are the common areas that we replace. All this section here will be replaced just because the reinforcement bracket holds water, and these tend to rot away and weaken the structure. So this section here will get replaced. This whole bottom section will be replaced. Again, just water traps. There wasn't a lot of paint on the inside of these doors when they were built, so water just gets in there and just starts rusting from the inside out. They didn't even put seam sealer along these edges. We do put seam sealer before we paint them, but it's a very thin layer to keep it to the original look. So once the door skin's off, we'll go ahead and replace all that section, and the bottom of the door skin will be replaced as well. In some cases we've actually had to make a complete door skin. take this whole side off. Now that side's complete, we're going to start on this side. But first, we got to take all the panels that we took off to the sandblasters. So that's what we're going to do now. If you follow me. And what we have here is all the parts that are left to go to the sandblasters. We've got the doors, they've been completely stripped out. The rear quarter, inner and outer quarter, chassis leg, B-post, inner flitch, A-pillar and scuttle panel. So yeah, all these panels, we'll try and load all these panels in the boot. Or that focus over there, and yeah, then we'll take it to blasted, and then when it comes back from the blasters, we'll epoxy it.